Well, this is Paranormal Short Session 1 by Keith Evans at the Haunted Digital Alarm Clock, the Obelisk 5B, which you can see in front of me. This is giving me a run on words. The only thing I asked so far is, what is your name? Did I get Buddha? I got Taz, which is a name. I got Buddha. Bunch of words, but like I say, I'm not asking any questions. All right, no more words on the Obelisk 5. Harry. Only names.
Tragic.
Harry, nice to meet you, Harry.
Sentence.
Hold up. Only names.
Raised.
Only names.
Very dirty.
Yeah, they don't listen to me. That Jen, Gen. Hi, Jen. All right, this is Paranormal Short Session 1 because each new year, I start back over chronologically at 1. And I hadn't done the haunted alarm clock at all in 2024, to my surprise. So I did the first one
Sacrifice.
as far as Paranormal Short Session 1,
Fight.
New Year's Eve.
Luck.
So
Power. Kill. Wed. Again.
that's how you get back-to-back ones for in the 2024, again in the 2025. Hope everyone will check out my YouTube channel called Paranormal Short Sessions by Keith Evans. It should have all the promos and the actual paranormal short session, which could be anywhere from 15 minutes to 30 minutes. And also hope you will check out my book. It's called Vampires, Dead or Alive. It's available paperback on Amazon, ebook on Kindle. Now, other online book companies can sell my book.
Especially one.
They just have to get permission from Amazon. So, look for it wherever you shop online for books. And Vampires, Dead or Alive. Hello, Ed. I see Ed, E.D.
Drone. Judge. Low.
If you like ebooks, Vampire Dead or Alive is available ebook. The ebook is the best deal. It's like, I think it's $2.99 or $3.99. The paperback's going to be $10 plus tax and shipping. So, hi, Greg. Gregg.
No.
So I got another name. Why are you saying no?
Milk. Life.
I guess the Obelisk 5 is channeling you. I get milk a lot. I like milk, but I don't drink it that much. Okay, also, my oldest book, Vampires, The Hayes House Ghost or People 2, is no longer available. I've taken it out of print, but you can still get it in the ebook. It's still available for ebook. Hayes House Ghost or People 2. And I think the ebook is $2.99. $2.99. And that's American dollars. If you're overseas, it's going to be different depending on the exchange rate with U.S. dollars against your form of payment. Cow, rhythm, and foot. So, a lot of people ask me, why do you want to do a haunted alarm clock? Well, doing a haunted digital alarm clock is the same as doing a haunted dial. You know, ghosts and spirits can hang out wherever they want to hang out.
Project. Middle.
Why not an alarm clock?
Together.
It's got current, so as a ghost or spirit, if you want to recharge yourself, you have flowing electrons, which is current, right there at your disposal. So anyway,
Say.
I don't see any names.
Lens. Aqua.
I don't know why it's not coming in clear. Usually when I use the Flare C5 camera at night, it comes in very clear. But look how blurry the numbers are. At the bottom, the lowest range is like 77.3 Fahrenheit, and it's very blurry. At the top, it's like 94.9 Fahrenheit, and it's very blurry.
Tease.
I'm pointing it to the blue area, so it's like 73.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's go back up into the hotter area. Now it's coming in plain. You see that now? I don't know whether it was a ghost or spirit in front of it, which was causing it to be blurry or what, but I haven't done anything different. It's coming in plain now.
Desk.
Save this. Clover. Over. Mop. Trimmer. So you can see how cold the Obelisk 5 is. It's like 83.7 degrees Fahrenheit. Wherever that little bullseye is pointing, that's where your temperature is going to be given up there in the top left-hand corner. 84.9 degrees Fahrenheit, 85.1 degrees Fahrenheit. Now at the very bottom, your 77.5, that's your coldest range, which is going to be if I was pointing to something that's purple or dark blue. And up at the top, the 89.3 degrees Fahrenheit is like the light yellow. That's going to be your hottest range, your hottest temperature.
Tea. Emotion. Knife. Wicked. Bunny.
Bunny could be a name. Hi, Bunny. I'm Keith Evans. Nice to meet you, Bunny. Get a fair amount of names, but I get a lot of words that just are just